Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Sa last video natin, natakal natin ang permutation. Now, let's talk about combination. So again, permutation is the arrangement where order does matter. And combination is an arrangement where order does not matter. So ngayon, matatakal naman natin ang combination. Okay, so meron din tayong dalawang klase ng combination. Repetition is allowed at no repetition. So sa repetition is allowed, for example, yung coin sa bulsa mo, pwedeng 2 piso, 2 5, at 10 piso. Sa no repetition, parang dun sa loto. So 11, 16, 23, 27, 30, 35. Kunwari yan yung lumabas sa loto. So kapag lumabas na yung 11, hindi na siya pwedeng maulit. Ano pa bang pagkakaiba ng permutation at combination? Sa permutation, yung notation niya is NPR. Sa combination, ang notation niya is NCR. Okay, sa permutation, may P. Sa combination, may C. Ang formula sa permutation without repetition, that is n factorial over n minus r factorial. Sa combination, that is n factorial over n minus r factorial, r factorial. Okay, sa combination, ang formula kapag repetition is allowed, that is n raised to r. Sa combination, that is the quantity of r plus n minus 1 factorial over n minus r factorial, r factorial. An example, Cristine has 8 colored pencils that are all unique. She wants to pick 3 colored pencils from her collection and give them to her younger sister. How many different combinations of colored pencils can Cristine make from 8 pencils? So, Cristine daw, may 8 na colored pencils. At pipili siya ng 3 para ibigay sa kanyang kapatid. So, that is 8C3. Diba yan ay NC3? Yan yung notation ng combination. So, ano ito? Combination with repetition or without? So, this is without repetition. Kasi nga, yung colored pencils niya ay mga unique. So, ibig sabihin, yung isa walang katulad. So, anong formula para sa combination without repetition? That is equal to n factorial over the quantity of n minus r factorial, r factorial. Okay, so substitute natin. So, n is 8. So, that is 8 factorial over n, that is 8. Minus r is 3 kasi pipili siya ng 3 over 3 factor. Yan. Kung may scientific calculator ka, pwede mo lang i-input ito, 8C3 or ito. 8 factorial over 8 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial. Pero kung wala, solve natin. So, it is equal to 8 factorial. 8 minus 3, that is 5. So, it is 5 factorial, 3 factorial. Okay, so lagay na lang dito. So, 8 factorial, that is equal to 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Tapos 5 factorial, that is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And 3 factorial, that is 3 times 2 times 1. And that is equal to 336. Divided by 3 times 2, 6 times 1, so 6. So that is 336 divided by 6. And that is equal to 56. Anna has 6 candies. All of the candies are of different flavors. She wants to give 2 of her candies to her friend. How many combinations of candies can Anna make from 6 candies? Okay, so that is, from 6 candies, pipili siya ng ilang bibigay niya? 2. So that is 6C2. At gaya kanina, this is no repetition. So 6 factorial over 6 minus 2, kasi nga n minus r yan, and 2 factorial. May factorial to. So that is equal to 6 factorial Then 6 minus 2, that is 4. So this is 4 factorial. Times 2 factorial. Okay, so 6 factorial, that is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And 4 factorial, that is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And 2 factorial, that is 2 times 1. Okay, kung napapansin nyo, again, parehong may 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So, kakancel na lang natin yan. So, matitira na lang is 6 times 5 over 2 times 1. And 6 times 5, that is equal to 30. And 2 times 1 is 2. And 30 divided by 2, that is equal to 15. So there are 15 combinations of candies can Anna make from 6 candies. Next example. So, ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina na lotto. So, how many lottery tickets must be purchased to complete all possible combinations of 6 numbers, each with a possibility of being from 1 to 49? So, yung lotto ticket is 1 to 49. Mamimili ka ng 6 na numbers from 1 to 49. So, ilan daw ang tatayahan mong ticket para matayahan mo lahat ng possible combinations? So sa 49 na numbers, pipili ka ng 6. So, that is equal to n is 49. So, that is 49 factorial. Over, that is n minus r, n is 49 minus 6. Kasi 6 yung pipiliin mo. 6 factorial, then 6 factorial. And that is equal to 49 factorial. 49 minus 6, that is 43. 43 factorial, 6 factorial. Okay, so that is, so 49 factorial over 43 factorial. So that is just 49. 49 times 48 times 47 times 46 times 45 times 44. So, hanggang 44 lang. Bakit? Kasi may 43 na dito. Kakancel lang din natin. So, yung 43 factorial, hindi natin nilalagay kasi na-cancelled na. So, matitira na lang is 6 factorial. That is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. At kapag sinolve mo yan, ang makukuha mong sagot is 13,983,816. Okay, so yan yung kailangan mong tayaan na lotto tickets. That is 13,983,816. So, kailangan mong maging milyonaryo para matayahan mo lahat ng ticket. Next example. In an ice cream store, they have 4 flavors: vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and Rocky Road. You will choose 3 flavors to put in your ice cream. How many different combinations can we make if A, repetition is not allowed, B, repetition is allowed? Okay, so sa ice cream store, meron silang 4 na flavors. At 3 lang doon ang pipiliin natin. So sa repetition is not allowed, so tag-isa lang yan. Sa 4, pipili tayo ng 3. So yung formula natin, that is 4 factorial over 4 minus 3 factorial 3 factorial. And that is equal to 4 factorial. 4 minus 3, that is 1. So that is 1 factorial. Then 3 factorial. Then 1 factorial is 1 lang din. So that is 4 factorial over 3 factorial. And 4 factorial over 3 factorial, that is equal to 4. So, meron tayong 4 na combinations kapag repetition is not allowed. Okay, paano naman kapag repetition is allowed? So, mas madaming combination na maulit ang pwede natin gawin. So, pwedeng tatlong scoop ng vanilla, tatlong scoop ng chocolate, or whatsoever. Okay, so ano ulit formula natin kapag with repetition? That is equal to the quantity of n plus r minus 1 over r factorial, may factorial to, r factorial times n minus 1 factorial. Okay, so that is equal to, okay, so substitute natin. So that is n is 4 plus r is 3 minus 1 factorial. And that is 3 factorial times the quantity of n is 4 minus 1 factorial. And that is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. And 4 plus 2, that is 6. So this is 6 factorial over 3 factorial times 4 minus 1, that is 3. So 3 factorial din ito. Okay, so that is equal to, so 6 factorial, that is 6 times 5 times 4. Bakit hanggang 4 lang? Kasi may 3 factorial na doon. So, yan, isa pang 3 factorial, 3 times 2 times 1. 6 times 5 times 4, that is equal to 120. 3 times 2 times 1, that is equal to 6. And what is 120 divided by 6? That is equal to 20. So, meron tayong 20 combinations ng ice cream kapag repetition is allowed.
So ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito at sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayong natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.